Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another tutorial video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be doing a demonstration of how to remove the grille on a Toyota Tacoma found between the years of 2001 to 2004. First, start by opening the hood. You'll need to gain access to the fasteners for the parking lights and grille clips. Using a Phillips screwdriver, the parking lights will need to be removed. Using your fingers or a nylon trim tool, you will need to pop up the mounting tang as it clips over the grille. There is also a clip on the fender side which needs to be disconnected too. Remove the electrical connector. Do the same for the opposite side too. Remove the screw. Remove the light. And finally disconnect the electrical connector. For the grille, there are various clips which need to be disconnected on the radiator support. The top clips are fairly easy to access. You'll need to push them down in the center and then pull out the grille to keep them disconnected. The bottom clips, you'll need a longer screwdriver or a metal rod to release those clips. If you force these clips, they will break and you will need to replace them. There will be two remaining clips. These are on the outer bottom edges of the grille, which clips into the lights. You'll need to go under the truck to disconnect these. Reach up behind the bumper and release them. There is one on each side, so two in total. Finally, remove the grille. Here are various clips on the radiator support. You can see the plastic inserts in the rectangular holes. There is 4 clips along the top and 5 clips along the bottom. These include the 2 under the headlights. Behind the grille, here are the clips again, 4 along the top and 5 along the bottom. For installation, it's basically in reverse of removal. Align the clips for the grille, then slowly clip it into place. I would recommend pulling the grille back slightly to ensure the clips have locked into place. You'll need to push against each of the clip locations on the outside of the grille. Reconnect the electrical connector for the signal light, push it back into place, then reinstall the screw. Do the same for the opposite side, plug in the connector, clip the light back into place, and then reinstall the retaining screw. New videos released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me, and leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to follow my social media pages such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to keep up to date with my latest projects. And if you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.